Hello everyone, this is the Coolman78 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make diamond edges on VideoPad, but you must have Audacity too. I think this effect can be made on Sony Vegas. I don't know if it can be made on Sony Vegas because I don't have full version of it yet. But well, to make this the diamond edges effect, well, on Audacity you must do the X is going weirdness every audio, export it, put it in diamond effect audio, export it, diamond audio again, export it again, and diamond effect again, export it. Then on VideoPad, let me go to it. There you go. But the original source, not the Audacity one, this source, mute it. Sorry, this says unmute linked audio. That's because I already muted it. And online, there's this rainbow image that I found. Pretty cool, right? I'll show you where to find it. There's rainbow colors, and let me try to find it. It can be pretty hard. This can be hard to find. If you can't find this image, maybe you can try to make your own on Sony Vegas, because it's really hard now. It's pretty hard to find this image. Okay, let's go on the rainbow. Let's do the rainbow first. You do zoom. Here you go. Here's the numbers. It's just to make it easier to see. HUE cycle. Cycle, sorry. Saturation 100. Transparency 92. Alright. Okay, this is the effects for the original source, not Audacity or for the rainbow. I already showed you the rainbow. We're going to do the Klasky Supo source. Remember, not Audacity source. Negative, aka invert. Edge detection. Color curves. Here's the color curves. It's like this. Oh wait, hold on. I tried to make it like the real G major 4. There's been a little mistake in this effect. Well, actually, I tried to make it like the G major 4 effect. You know, the real one. Sorry about that little mistake there. Okay. Now, let's see the effect. Oh man, that scared me. If I scared you, I am so sorry. I made another mistake. I was doing random editing. I accidentally got echo because, well, yesterday or last night I was doing random editing with this. I'm sorry for this echoing mistake. I am sorry if I scared you. Sorry. Okay, I kept saying that. But, alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. See ya.